Hi everyone, this is Rakesh Unecha from Marathwada Mitra Mandal's College of Engineering. I welcome you all on today's presentation of application of solar energy. Today's topic is solar steel or solar distillation. So, before going into the concept, we should know some facts. Fresh water is the necessity of survival of life. We all know that. But in some rural areas or coastal areas which are thinly populated and scattered, the problem of drinking water is very major. Normally, one or two members are always busy in bringing water from long distances. They have to spend their valuable time in bringing drinkable water. Solar energy can play a very important role for converting impure water into pure water. The setup used is called solar steel. So let us see what is solar steel. This is a diagram of solar steel. It is a block diagram. We will see how it works. It consists of blackened basin containing impure water. Here blackened basin means this part which is pink in color, which is insulated from the outside, and it is laid with black surface having more absorption capability. This basin is enclosed with airtight transparent cover. This is the transparent cover which is over this basin. This cover is roof like. This is like roof of our home, and it is generally used or it is made up of glass or plastic. Cover is sloped towards this trough where we are going to collect the pure water. Solar radiation passes through this cover and absorbed by this basin where this dirty water or impure water is stored. This impure water now absorbs the heat from this solar steel or this basin and gets heated, and the vapors moves towards this roof. Vapor is condensed on this glass roof to form into purified water. This glass is cool because the radiations are transferred, not absorbed. Therefore, this interior surface of glass is much cooler to condense these vapors. The condensate water falls down from this slope and get collected into trough. Impure water can be replaced continuously by motor or pump, or it can be replaced in batches. The operating efficiency of this solar steel is generally 35 to 50%. Performance of solar steel is expressed in quantity of water produced per square meter of basin area per day. That means how much liters of water we get per square meter of basin area per day. The performance of solar steel mainly affected by three parameters. These are design of steel, intensity of solar radiation, and atmospheric conditions. The main parameter is radiation. The maximum the solar radiation, the maximum will be the performance of solar steel, maximum will be the quantity of water we get from the steel. Apart from this factor radiation means we should consider other atmospheric factors like ambient temperature, wind speed, atmospheric humidity, and sky conditions. These factors also affect the quantity of water we get from the steel, and also the design of steel play the important role, that is whether it is single sloped or double sloped, the inclination of glass cover, the insulation of base, etc. These factors also influence the performance of solar steel. This is the actual picture of solar steel. You can see this is a solar steel and this is the roof. We can implement it on the terrace and we can get the benefit of this. We can get pure water from saline water or impure water. I hope you understood the working of solar steel. It is very beneficial for rural areas. If any queries, you can contact me on contact details shown here. Thank you, students. Thank you very much.